Hi, Sylvia here. I never imagined I'd be making a video about this, but I need to open up because this one simple decision completely changed my husband's life and saved our relationship in a way I never expected. You see, a while ago, I started noticing some changes in him. He was always tired, distant, and honestly, he just wasn't the man I fell in love with anymore. He was constantly in a bad mood and he didn't even show affection like he used to. Our intimacy vanished, his confidence disappeared, and deep down, I could tell he felt like something was wrong with him. As a wife, that broke my heart. I didn't want him to feel ashamed. I just wanted him to feel good again, to feel like a man, to feel like himself again. So I started looking for a solution, something natural, safe, and that truly worked. That's when I found a product called Max Boost Plus. It's a natural supplement designed to boost male vitality, restore energy, performance, and confidence. And the best part, no harsh chemicals, no weird side effects. The formula is science-based, with ingredients like L-arginine, maca root, ginseng, and other powerful nutrients that support male health. I read the reviews. I saw stories from other women like me, and I thought, what do we have to lose? So I bought it. And what happened next honestly surprised me more than I ever imagined. Within the first few weeks, I started to see a difference. He had more energy. He was more present. He started smiling again. And when I looked into his eyes, I saw his confidence coming back. And yes, our intimacy came back too. No pressure, no awkwardness. It was natural, real, alive, like we had found each other all over again. I know this is a sensitive topic, but if you're watching this, maybe you or someone you love is going through the same thing. And I just want to say there is a solution. Max Boost Plus helped my husband feel like himself again, and it helped us truly reconnect. If you're curious or looking for a discreet, natural way to bring back energy and connection, click the link below. That's what I did, and I'm truly grateful I did. Oh, and they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk and so much to gain. I truly believe every man deserves to feel strong, confident, and alive, and every couple deserves to feel that spark again. So if this spoke to you, don't wait. Check out Max Boost Plus today. It changed our life, and it might change yours too.